Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to set up a Kraken API key in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one, so let's just get straight into the video. Now the first step is going to be to log into your Kraken account using your email address and password. So go on to Kraken's website and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, you're going to navigate to the account settings page by clicking on the account tab. So look for the account tab and click on that. It's going to take you to the account setting page. And there you can click on the API tab, and that's going to help allow you to access the API settings. Now, once you're in the settings, you can click on create API key button to create a new API key. And you can go ahead and label enter a label for your API key, such as my trading bot or whatever else, whatever other label you want to slap on that. Go ahead and do that, and then you can select the API's key permission, such as trade or withdraw. So go ahead and choose the permission you want to go with, and once that's done, click on the create API key button to create the API key. From there, you can also you can copy the API key and store it securely to use whenever you want. That's pretty much it on how to set up a Kraken API key in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.